This beautiful polished townhome in Northeast Bend sets the tone for easy, comfortable living. Let's go check it out. The interior feels open and calm with natural lighting moving through the open living spaces. Clean, modern finishes anchor the kitchen and create a space that supports both everyday routines and relaxed gatherings. Upstairs, the primary suite provides a quiet retreat. While the loft adds flexible space for work or guests. Outside, the zero-maintenance landscaping allows you to lock and leave without worry, giving more time to enjoy Pine Nursery Park, nearby trails, shopping, and dining. It's a home designed for people who value simplicity without sacrificing comfort. For buyers seeking a polished, move-in ready property that supports the Central Oregon lifestyle, this home is just for you. Call today for your private tour.